In this video, I will show you how to use Walmart delivery services. With Walmart delivery, you can shop for groceries, household essentials, electronics, and more, then have them delivered directly to your address. To get started, open the Walmart app and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the pickup and delivery option near at the top of the app. Here, you want to select delivery and add your delivery address if you haven't already. Enter the required details and save address to continue. After that, browse Walmart's products and then add the items you want to purchase to your cart. You can shop from different categories, including groceries, home products, electronics, and everyday essentials. When you're ready, tap on the cart icon at the top, then select Continue to checkout. Confirm your delivery address, then choose an available delivery time slot based on your location. Review your order, enter your payment information, and place the order. Walmart will then prepare your items and arrange delivery. Once your order is on the way, you will receive updates and can track the delivery directly through the Walmart app or website. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.